Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sipan Matre, and today I'm going to unbox this beautiful deck of Everyday Witch Tarot. So this deck is by Deborah Blake and the art is by Elizabeth Alba, and it's a beautiful deck. I got it from Warden Book House, and it's pretty. The box is quite sturdy, and I've already opened this deck because I couldn't really resist, and I found this deck so beautiful. I've used it in my weekly card reading as well. You can check. The link is below. All right. So it comes with cards, and a very a detailed book in which the meaning of the cards, then about the deck, and a lot of it is it explains quite beautifully. Okay, this book is quite detailed one. So I'll keep this over here. And yeah, now let me show you the deck. All right, as I said, I've already opened it, so it's not in a sequence. What I like about it is so different. Okay, the cards, what's written down is so different, and it is so beautiful in terms of the artwork. This is the first card. Meditation for creativity. Prayers and wishes. I love this particular card. It's so full of happiness. One can even use this for manifestation. Healing water. The picture itself is so healing. They're so colorful. This reminds me of the magician card in tarot too. I love this card, Accept Love. It's so pretty. Even this is so beautiful. Go with the flow. Cleansing body and spirit. So now I will remove cards for each one of you. A mini pick a card reading. The timestamps will be below, so you can have a look at it. So let me shuffle. Message for pile 1. Message for pile 2. Message for pile 3. Okay, I will keep the cards and this deck over here. Okay, let me put some thing on this card for you to, so that it helps you to decide. So pile 1, I'll keep a flower. Pile 2, I'll keep an angelite crystal. And pile 3, I will keep a amethyst. All right, so have a good look at it. What is attracting you? And we'll start with pile 1. So pile 1 has got ground and center. So this particular card is asking you to some of you have been feeling spacey, some of you are also feeling connected as well, spacey and connected. Some of you have been kind of wondering, where am I going, where is my life going? So all you need to do is, you need to ground and center yourself, which means you need to, you should maybe try and walk on earth, okay, or you just tap your feet to get rid of the extra energy. I also am getting a message that some of you have lower body issues, maybe feet pain, or maybe something to do with your reproductive organs or lower back, okay. I feel that is something which is affecting. Yeah, and some of you also have some issues in your stomach. So there is healing available. It's not that it's not available. So with medical consultation, you should also try and pray so that you can all these issues kind of go get resolved. I also feel that you need to sleep and rest. Maybe in the you are on mobile phone in the night, which is affecting your sleep. Gratitude and thanks. So so beautiful. I feel that what I'm clearly getting over here is that you've done something for animals, okay. Either you have you've done something definitely for animals, and that animal is giving you, offering you thanks and gratitude, and that particular act of yours is going to really create a lot of magic in your life. I also feel that if possible, you should try and have a gratitude journal, in which, of course, some of you already have, in which you will write every day what you are grateful for, because gratitude definitely raises our vibrations. Some of you have some sort of lactose intolerance, okay, you milk and dairy products, or you're thinking of turning vegan is also what I'm hearing. So I am also getting that Archangel Gabriel is with you, and you are in a field of communication. So shine bright, do not hold yourself back, guys. So this is for group 1. Let me see group 2. So meditation for peace and serenity. So you need to relax yourself. You need to be more calmer. All right. I also feel that some of you have been to an astrologer or a psychic or somebody who has kind of told you things that has kind of scared you. So to understand one thing, our future is not written in stone. I tell all my customers, if there is some issue that is reflected in your tarot cards, angel cards, or your horoscope, you can change it. All right. So with proper prayers and all. So if you are worried about your future, don't be. Everything is going to be okay. The next card that you got is connect with Gaia. So here I feel that you need to work with Mother Earth. Some of you are quite already very conscious of taking care of Mother Earth by not using too much plastic and all. So great, keep that going. I am also feeling that you are, since you maybe you've not been able to go out for some reason, and right now since we are already in COVID, that has kind of frustrated you. So understand one thing, though you are right now stuck, okay, it's a good time to use this particular time that we have for going within. All right. Yes, I also feel that interestingly, if you see here, the roots are created. This person is on land, and this particular individual is in mid-air, that too in water. Okay, so definitely I feel that there is some issue for which you are praying, and praying really hard. All right, but you need to let go of attachment to that issue if you want it to get resolved. All right, that's what I have for group 2. Let's see what's for group 3. You got the card, plant the seeds. So this is a time to start new projects, working on new projects. Even if you feel that I don't know what's going to be the outcome, take baby steps at least. Whatever excuse you are giving, I don't have time, I don't have the resources, at least start baby steps, okay? For example, if it's a project for which you need funding, and you don't know where the funds are going to come, at least start working on the plan of the project. If you already have the plan in place, start visualizing how the project is going to come to fruition, okay? But start doing it. I also feel some of you are into planting, gardening, so continue that. The next card that you have got is listening to wisdom. So here definitely your ancestors are trying to give you a lot of downloads, so listen to them. You are quite intuitive, and the new project that you're going to begin, you're going to get a lot of ideas and intuition via your ancestor, your spirit guides. So listen to them, okay? Listen to them. I also feel that there will be some sort of warnings that are going to come your way regarding the new project, like, hey, don't do this, or this should be done a different way. So listen to it, okay? Listen to it. But definitely a lot of new projects coming into your life, and all the ideas for the new projects you are going to get via your intuition, so ensure that you follow it. All right, so this was unboxing video of this beautiful Everyday Witch Oracle. I hope you enjoyed this video and your mini message. So I am absolutely in love with this deck. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do like and subscribe to my channel if you have already not, and do share it with your friends so that even they enjoy this particular mini pick a card reading. All right, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.